Before we learn more about workflow automation, let's get to know about what is n8n. So n8n is an open source workflow automation tool with which you can connect different apps and you can automate your tasks and manage data easily without heavy coding. So beauty of n8n is it's a no code and a low code platform. So with no code, you'll be able to handle many or workflow automations. And if you have coding experience, you can still do complex automations using n8n. So that's the unique selling point of using n8n. And what are the key features of n8n? So first one, workflow automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, updating your spreadsheet or Excel sheet, posting content to social media. All these things can be automated easily with n8n, which will save you a lot of time. And you can connect multiple apps, so you can connect multiple apps within n8n. So apps like Google Sheets, Slack, WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail, all these things can be connected easily with n8n. So more than 300 built-in integrations are there in n8n, so that can be easily used depending upon your use cases. And the other good thing about this n8n is it's a visual flow editor, visual workflow editor. So whatever you create in n8n is a you'll be doing it visually, which makes it easier and more interesting for anyone who wants to try out workflow automation using n8n. Even someone who doesn't have any coding experience can easily create automation and can save more time for them. And if you have good or some amount of coding experiences, you can create complex workflow with your programming knowledge. And the other key feature is it's a self-hosted option. So you can run n8n on your own server as well, and or host it in other hosting platforms as well. So what are some of the use cases? You can automate social media posting, notifications. You can build pods for WhatsApp, Telegram for notification and queries, and for managing marketing campaigns or reporting, internal reporting automatically. All these things, these are some of the use cases. So for all these things, first you should go to the website called n8n.io. This is the website where you'll be able to create a account first. So if you are new to n8n, first create account. First click get started. So if you click get started, you'll get this page where you'll fill the basic information about you and you'll give an account name, and then you'll start your free 14-day trial period. So first 14 days, it's free. So with 14 days, you can learn some of the uh, easy and some workflow automations in n8n. If you spend a daily few hours a day, 14 days is well enough for learning something good in n8n. If you want to enhance your skills in n8n after 14 days, there are different pricing options in n8n as well. Say a starter, but starts with 20 euros per month. So for most of us, spending 20 euros per month might be a big thing. What are the other possibilities are you can self-host in your own local server. You can do, but self-hosting in the local server comes with some issues while automating. And what are the other possibilities are you can go to websites or services like Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting provider. So they provide a domain registration and they host our websites. These are some of the services which Hostinger do. They also do n8n VPS hosting, where you get your own virtual server. So for n8n, they have VPS, which is virtual private server. For example, I go to this in this Hostinger link for n8n. I'm clicking choose your plan. So these are some of the plans where you can have your own virtual private server where you can add n8n and do all the workflow automation just like how you do it in n8n.io website. So these plans are pretty much affordable. So there are just like hosting it, there are other services other who give n8n hosting as well. You can explore them as well. But the hosting is one of the reliable one, and price is also affordable compared to the 20 euro per month which they have. So for 14 days, it's well good enough to learn on the free trial. If you want to enhance it further, so go for other hosting options, choosing a n8n VPS one. So this is pretty much basics about n8n and what you can do and what you can do after 14 days trial ends. So I've already logged in. So once you create a login, you create an account, you'll have this page, overview page will be the first page in your screen. And whenever you want to create a workflow, click the create workflow on the right corner. So this will be the screen after you create the workflow. So step by step, we'll be adding the nodes to create our workflow automations. So that we'll see in the upcoming videos. Thank you.